at first use which type of hashtag is more relevant, which type of hashtag is more trending. Hey guys, today I'll be talking about how to be use proper hashtag on any kind of social media platform. Actually, hashtag is really necessary. If you want to be any kind of brand, if you want to be any kind of business, so make sure you have to be using such kind of proper hashtag that can be really relevant for your business, for your brand. If you want to be using such kind of hashtag, proper hashtag, so make sure your content, any kind of content, you have any kind of video, images, text, whatever your content, you have to be relevant and you have to be visible on any kind of social media networking platform. That's the more effective way, that's the more valuable way to you. So make sure you using proper hashtag. For example, if I am using such kind of digital cycle hashtag on any social media networking platform, social media platform, any kind of social digital cycle. So I'm just using social networking or social media platform. But if you want to be at first choose which type of your brand. If you want to be any kind of personal brand, for example, I am a personal brand, so I am choose such kind of my personal name. So if you want to be any kind of corporate brand, so make sure you choose any kind of corporate brand, your branding related, your company's name related. So make sure you have to be proper use on social media platform. And another thing, you have to be at first use which type of hashtag is more relevant, which type of hashtag is more trending. Follow those kind of hashtag and get such kind of result from your content.